Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Surface Laptop Studio step by step clearly. Unbox your Surface Laptop Studio carefully. Remove all protective packaging and plastic. Place the laptop on a flat, stable surface. Locate the power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Connect the other end of the power adapter to the laptop. Press the power button located on the side of the device. Wait for the Surface logo to appear on the screen. Select your preferred language from the options presented. Choose your region or country. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list. Enter the password for your Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up Windows. If you have a Microsoft account, enter your email and password. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Review the privacy settings and adjust them as needed. Choose whether to enable voice activation for Cortana. Set up a PIN for quick access to your laptop. Follow the prompts to configure Windows Hello if you have a compatible device. Once setup is complete, explore the desktop interface. Check for any available Windows updates in the Settings app. Install any pending updates to ensure. Personalize your desktop background and themes as you like. Install essential software and applications from the Microsoft Store. Connect any additional peripherals, such as a mouse or external monitor. Familiarize yourself with the unique features of the Surface Laptop Studio. Explore the different modes, Laptop, Stage, and Studio. Enjoy your new Surface Laptop Studio and its capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.